Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a taco. Let's start off by drawing the taco shell with a line that curves down slightly, makes a sharp turn to the right, then turns up and goes all the way over here like so. Next, we can draw the fillings. A wavy line here on the left side of the arch can be lettuce or guacamole. Then, a really bumpy line like so can be the meat. Some big bumps like this can be radishes or peppers, and another wavy line can be the cheese or sour cream. Finally, extend the line on the other side to go up and over like the arch. And lastly, to add some more detail, draw some small dots here and here for the taco shell texture. And now you've got a taco!